about to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distraction.
Why do we do this to ourselves? I was in a rush, so I put our leftover meatballs and gravy in the refrigerator like a week ago. And now I have to deal with this hard, dried, cold, crusty mess. I definitely should have just put those leftover meatballs in a separate container and washed this right away. I feel like my leg is starting to get better, though I am taking ibuprofen. But this morning when I woke up, it had been like 18 hours that I hadn't taken an ibuprofen, and my leg felt a little better than it did yesterday morning. It's weird, when I'm on the ibuprofen, like I'm not really limping anymore. I was like, I couldn't even step on my foot. But when I'm on the ibuprofen now, like I'm not limping, but when it starts to wear off, I start limping again because the pain. So the ibuprofen definitely helps with inflammation and pain. But I do feel like my leg is healing. I don't even know what I did to it. I injured it. It's either like a small fracture or the tibia. I forget what that part of the leg is called. Like a muscle tear. But either way, it just has to heal on its own. It could take like 3 months or so. But I'm feeling okay today. So I'm taking this day as a win. But once I'm finished cleaning up here, I'm gonna go and get a shower and just settle down. And I'm gonna try and take it easier tomorrow because I don't want my leg to get worse. I don't want to just let this sit out, but there's no space for it anywhere. Guess I could shove it with the vitamins for a day or so. Yes, I did. I just shoved the chips and salsa in with our vitamins because I just don't like stuff sitting out on the counter, and it'll probably annoy me come tomorrow, so that happened.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm jiggling the kids.
I know, it's okay. They just, you got really loud. So I don't know, I just felt like continuing to record. Maybe for myself, but also for you guys to share, hopefully, encouragement with you. Last week, I kid you not, I couldn't even walk. Like, I couldn't lift my leg. And while I don't really know the full reason of how I injured my leg, like what actually the injury is, I'm feeling a little better. The ibuprofen, like I said, is definitely helping with the pain because when it wears off, the pain is still there. And I can barely lift my leg again, but I can lift it a little bit higher than I could yesterday. So I'm thankful. I'm thankful for today. I'm thankful for the hard times because they make us stronger and they make us have more gratitude for the good times. Does that make sense? But yeah, and those 2 pans, I'm just gonna leave them in the sink for this evening. But everything is washed. I'm just gonna leave them in the sink, give myself some grace. It's going to do my leg more harm standing here for like an extra 20 minutes to scrub those. It's really stuck on there. So I'm just gonna let it be. I have to move the pan and fill it up with more soapy water. Yeah, I'll take care of it tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you in my next video.